Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you through the process of analyzing Windows 10 and Windows 11 drive to find out which files are taking up the most space and how to locate duplicate files. It is a little hard to analyze files, but we can do it with some software. Open your favorite browser. On the search bar type WizTree. Hit enter. Open this first link. Disk space analyze. The fastest disk space analyze. Find the files and drives using the most space on your hard drive quickly. It is free. Click on download. Here we have two versions: download installation, download portable. You can use any of them you want. I want to use portable. I recommend to use portable. This PC, download. Here we have WizTree. This file is zip. Right click, extract all, extract. If your system is 64-bit, double click on WizTree 64-bit. Click on yes. This software is so user interface. Here is select. Selection, it is by default C drive, total space. My drive C has 237 GB. The space used is 213.5 GB, and also the free space is 23 GB. Here I have two drives. It is WT and also C drive. When you select your drive, then click on scan. It will take a few moments. It is so fast. Here we have different parts like of print, size. It shows the size, allocations, items, files, folders, and modified. Look, my drive C is 100%. It used 49% with users and also 50% with program files, 12% with Windows. When you click in this plus, you will see any of them. For example, I want to open this ASIL drive. It is the user folder. App data use 37%, desktop use 32%, document use 20%. For example, I want to open document. Here virtual machine use 87%. Click on plus. In the virtual machine I have Windows 11 installation. I don't need this Windows 11. Let us delete it. Right click. Here we have different option. Select delete. Do you want to delete? Click on yes. If you come back, click on scan. If you come back to user document, let's find virtual machine. Here is virtual machine, but we don't have Windows 10. Like this, you can delete any file you don't need. Here we have also other options like file views, about. You can read about this software. In this step, let us find the duplicate files on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Close this software. Open your browser. Open new tab. Type here dupeGuru, and also you can find a link of these two software on the description. Open this first link, dupeGuru, if I pronounce correctly. dupeGuru finds duplicated files. Open the first link. Here we have this software for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux. This tool is to find duplicated files on your computer. Okay, if you use Windows 32 bits, download 32 bits. If you use 64-bit, download 64 bits. If you use Mac, download Mac or Linux. I want to download 64 bits. It will take a few moments to download. I think it is 30 megabyte. Close your browser when you download this PC. Download. Double click in this software. Click on yes. Please wait. Okay. Select your language. Click on OK. Next. Agree. Next. Next. Install. Click on finish. Let's launch this software. Here we have different menu like files, view and help. Here is application mode, standard, music, picture. If you want to find the duplicate music, put on music. For picture, put on picture. Here is scan type. You can scan content or you can scan file name folders. We want to scan picture, put on picture. Here we have more options. I recommend to put as default. Click on OK. Here we have this plus icon. When you click here, you can select your folder. I have this copy pictures. Here I have different pictures. Let's check. We have duplicate picture here or no. Click on plus. Find your folder. My folder is on desktop. Select folder. Here is the path of this folder. In status, click in this drop down. Make sure to select normal. Then here is scan. Click on scan. Here I have 145 pictures analyzed, 30 of them. Wait to analyze all of them. It will take some time. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel for more useful content. When this scan finished, you will see this kind of list. This blue one it means it has 2 duplicate files. This one also has 2 duplicate files. This one has 1 2 3 4 5 6, I don't know, it has a lot of duplicate files. Let us open this one. Double click. This one is a picture. Let us open the duplicate one. Look, this 2 picture is the same. It is duplicate. Let's open this one. Okay, it is a thumbnail. And also I want to open the duplicate one. I think I opened the wrong one. I think it was this one. Yes, we have 1 duplicate. If I open the other one, it is other duplicate. It has 2 duplicate files. These 3 are the same. Let's close. If you want to delete, just select. Okay, select all of them. When you select, here we have action. Click on action. You can delete on different way, but I recommend to move on recycle bin. I want to move on recycle bin. Send mark to recycle bin. Okay, here ask you, do you want to do it? Yes. Proceed. All marked files were successfully sent to trash. Okay, let's check the trash. Yes, we have these duplicate files. When you check recycle bin, then if you want you can format, Control A, then Shift delete, and also you can delete directly like this. You can delete the rest. In the end, if you want to create both 3 windows 10, 11 and 7 on one USB flash, then watch this video. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.